Hello, it's William, and I feel poorly, but I'm not poorly anyway, can't be bothered. So I got this new fidget toy, it's an old fidget cube my friend gave it me. Pretty cool. It's not really much in this video. On my other channel I got the new packs, so I got 3 packs, I don't know why. I don't know why I bought it, I think it's because I really wanted it, all of them look good, I don't know which one to pick. So, the best thing about a fidget cube is probably the thing that goes up and down like that. I don't know what this bit does because I don't know what it does. These buttons are cool, like that. These bits are okay. Else in this one's fidget cube. Oh, yeah, this thing here. I'm not really sure what to do with this, and you can move it around, which is pretty cool. But I don't know what this bit does. I really don't know what it does. I don't know. See you guys later, bye.